Okay, so as I've explained in the report, my project will be consisting of three different applications that will be working together. So this is Django backend, which will be deployed on my local host of my Mac. Once it is run, we'll run it through the terminal of the Macs, and by typing a command. So let me just stop that. Okay, so yeah, so we navigate to the folder of the backend, Django backend, which is project Django backend. That's the main folder of the server, and inside that folder we've got bot service and vent, and then inside bot service we've got a manage.py, which we need to run the server. So through the terminal we need to navigate to that folder and be in that folder to actually run the server. So I'm in the bot service folder right now, and then I'll be typing python 3 manage.py run server command to start the actual server. So once we do that, so the server is live now. It's telling us is deployed on the http/2.127.0, which is the local host, port 8000. So yeah, so the server is running live on the local host. Okay, so moving on to the client application, which is the iOS. So that one is actually deployed on the simulator of the Xcode. So I've got the iOS app, and let me just restart it. Okay. So yeah, so I'm just going to restart now. We are presented with this GUI, and then go straight to the texting user interface. So yeah, so let's say we want to say hi, and we press send, and that will appear here on the server. Yeah, so it says here in chat received hi, and that so that message was sent to the server, and we can see that by seeing it here, which says received hi, as I sent hi on the client app. And that is possible through if you go to views file of the Django server. This is where the actual HTTP request will come to, and this is where all the magic will happen to invoke the chatbot and other stuff that will happen. So yeah, so this is where it comes, and then it says print what was received, and then we actually saw that at the terminal which said received hi. Okay, so that's the client application and the Django server, and now we're going to move on to the actual chatbot, which is inside the bot service application. So if you go to chatbot, which is one of the apps that are deployed on our server, and yeah, so we've got two files which are Lisa trainer and Lisa. So Lisa trainer is the actual code or the class or the Python file that trains our bot. So if we run that file, we'll have these trainers running. So it's actually training at the moment using the data that I provided it with.
Sorry, bro. Cover sheet. Business. What's that? Business? No, but I think it's universal. It doesn't. Just put the local title and stuff like that.
Yeah. So the chatbot have finished its training, and then so we can actually communicate with it now. So I'm just gonna input by to close this training file. Yeah, so this file was finished, so we use this file to train the bot, and if we go to the actual lisa.py file, which is the actual chatbot, or which will be the part of the bot that will be communicating with our client app. So if you run that, we go straight. Wait a minute, 1 sec.
Which we just changed.
Yeah, that's fine. Let's do it from the trainer.
How is that any different? I'm not going to change it, I'm going to leave it because we don't have time, but how is that any different? You cannot just copy things like that. It's two separate things. It's a summary. not copy paste it into it. If not, well, life will be so much easier for people. What's an ARP?
Is annual rate percentage.
Why is that not stated before it?
Okay, so the bot have finished the training. So let's say hi.
And
Yeah.
what?
So I put hi,
Annual rate percentage.
and the reply is how are you doing? So the bot have replied how are you doing. And let's say I've put hello. You can see it says hi. You are how are you? How are you?
Have you read through your whole thing once?
I'm doing well. The chatbot is doing well. If you put what can you study at the city of West Star? What's the fancy store? So yeah, it gave us a reply, but it wasn't accurate. So yeah, it's related to our university, which is New Cavendish. So yeah, so if we put a university,
Same paragraph. Repeat yourself like
city
I'm pretty sure they know by now that you're a dealer.
Westminster, should give us something related to our university.
You stated once in the beginning they know that you're a dealer.
Yeah. So it just said what course out of, which is the same reply, but it wasn't really accurate. But yeah, so we can see that the chatbot has been replying, and yeah, so it gives us related replies to what we do. So yeah, so this is how the chatbot works. Yeah, let's terminate that. So yeah, this chatbot gets deployed in this Django environment, and then the iOS client will be able to communicate with the chatbot using the service that we sell. So yeah, that's how the three applications work together to make up the project. Thank you.